What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change your WordPress theme name, how to change the author. Imagine that you are delivering a website that you made on WordPress for some client and you do not want that the client knows the theme name, the theme author, but if the client has the admin of the site and can access dashboard by going to the browser address bar, enter with the domain plus WP admin and entering with the credentials, go to appearance and the submenu themes, they're gonna be able to find all the list of themes present on the site. If they click on theme details, we have the theme name by theme author, okay, and a link to the author name. How to fix it is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over tools, and hit the submenu theme file editor, okay? Hands up, there is a message, okay? They do not recommend that you change the files right here. Nothing to worry, click on I understand. And the very first part that always gonna appear right here is theme name. You can edit the theme name right here. And theme URL, you can change the theme URL right here. Author name, you can change the author name just typing it right here. Author URL, same for description of the theme. Some requirements, and then you are good to go. All you have to do is hit the update file blue button, okay? Now if you go to appearance, themes, you're gonna be able to see the new theme and the new name. And of course, if you hover over, you can click into the new URL in the case that you change it, okay? Easy, simple, and effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!